Oh my god, it's a party.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, fourth one just entered the party.
My gosh.
Oh my god, Belle.
Look how
We're gonna add some music to this while they're dancing.
Video us watching
I
it,
actually
just
did
so
it
we can
before.
Did you do that before? That's awesome.
Oh, there's
Yeah, I have,
another one
like-
coming in there. It's
Yeah.
like so. Oh, now
I'm
there's
recording
5.
it.
There's
He's
5.
recording it.
I know, but I also thought I would get our comments
Reactions
Right.
and
to yeah.
reactions to seeing it. You know, like you just
Look, they're
really
like
are.
discs. Look how it's. You
And
know.
they're turning like in
Yeah.
a cool, like twisting and stuff.
Like look at this
And they
guy.
change colors.
Oh yeah.
And these are the guys that make the smell. Can you believe?
Oh,
Yeah.
they're dancing.
If there were none of these guys, there would be no smell
Oh.
because they eat it and turn the color. You know,
Yeah.
all just thanks to these guys.
That's what's
And they
making it
can't-
brown.
Well,
Yeah.
there's definitely more than those two. Those 5.
Whoa, how cool. Yeah, we're just taking a little tiny sample. Imagine how much is in that Ziploc.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Literally billions, like probably
We only spotted
more than humans
5, but
on the
How
planet.
zoomed in are we?
Lots.
Like, how
This
can you...
this is 160.
160
60 times.
times.
Yeah.
So you might want to
Eyesight.
write that down, honey.
160 times what?
Our eyesight. The power of our eyes.
Whoa!
So let me jot that down, accompanying this right here,
They're
the
so
website.
cool.
160 times we were videoing.
They're like these
So
cool
this is
little
like 1.5
bacteria.
minutes. I guess this is. Maybe we should try like zooming out a little bit. Let me record.
So